Did he kill his Jeep?
Nope.
If his Jeep dies, our Jeep dies.
Yeah.
Because
If he doesn't make it, I'm not going through.
Yeah, pull forward. Pull forward.
Evan, hold on.
Oh, he'll make it, Dad. You see that, Dad? See how easy that is?
Those other ones are lifted higher than mine.
His isn't, and he made it through.
Hold on.
See, he'll make it. Dad, he'll make it. Don't worry, we'll make
You gonna
it.
take me?
Yeah.
I'm not getting that.
Yes, I am. They're just far away. See, he made it.
Gotta get shot at.
Oh, that's not even near as deep. Wait for the guy to get across. Wait for the guy to get all the way across so we don't have to stop. Hey, can you hear me?
Just listen. Just listen. Watch.
You think we'll make it? Just don't stop. Okay, Mom, we're not going to stop in this. We gotta go, we gotta go, we gotta go. Turns out Dad's wanting a videotape on these things forever, so here we go. You want to know the total time